Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the plate. Use an evenly lit green or blue backdrop and remove wrinkles to prevent spill. Once the footage is in After Effects, make a composition that matches your camera's frame size and frame rate so keying behaves predictably. Next, lock your white balance and exposure on the clip to reduce color shifts. Now apply the key light effect as your first keying tool. This begins isolating the backdrop color while preserving subject detail and edges. Once key light isolates the backdrop, sample a representative midtone with the screen color, pipette, and switch to the screen matte view to inspect alpha. You'll then tweak screen gain and screen balance to reduce edge fringing while adjusting clip black/white to seal tiny holes. If spill remains, apply a small matte choke or Gaussian blur selectively to smooth edges. Make sure to flip back to final result and check motion. Refine tracking or roto if moving limbs intersect the background. You finish by integrating the keyed subject. Apply light wrap using a blurred version of the background to paint subtle rim light and add contact shadows for realism. Then remove residual spill with a targeted hue/saturation or key cleaner pass, focusing on hair and semi-transparent edges. Once done, render a short test clip to confirm color balance and motion hold. If keying artifacts persist, go back to lighting, reshoot if possible, or refine rotoscoping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.